Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
I missed it. I actually thought I missed the MFL RWT, but no, I didn't.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA Weather Radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
I thought I missed the MFL RWT, but guess I didn't.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of our National Weather Service.
Re-airing Saturday at 7 p.m. Central.
Transmitters in the Port Elizabeth area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice
Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. And again, between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. Unless you represent. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.